Hey Sugar Boogers, I'm back at you again with another video. And yes, I am in a car again. I'm working. I'm always working. Today, I am doing for you, my Sugar Boogers, Dunkin' Donuts. Yay! Dunkin' Donuts. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. And if you always come by, thank you. Always thank you for showing Sugar Mama some love, y'all. So, let me get this started. Alright. Amen. Alright, what I got today, I got that little hash browns. Excuse the lighting, I'm under a tree, in the shade, in the parking lot. And I got a bacon and egg croissant. I figure I'll go ahead and get me some breakfast, start my day, see if it give me some energy, let's see if you can see this, because, I'm all right. Just going in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. You know what? How about this? I'm going to go find another spot, man, because, no, I think I'm all right, I'm going to stay right here. So, I got a bacon egg croissant right here. What I'm going to do, I got some salt and pepper that I'm going to put on here. So. Ooh. Wow. And some pepper. See? Some pepper. You know they only give you a sprinkle. A sprinkle. Alright. You know what, y'all? Wait a minute. Hey, y'all, can y'all see me now? Because I had to move under the tree. It was too dark, y'all. But, where was I? Where was I? I had my croissant, bacon, egg, and cheese croissant right there, you see? The croissant. That's it. Alright, I wanted to do a thumbnail, y'all. Alright. Well, that first bite was dry. Dry. I got some orange juice right here. Oh, could be stretched neck to swallow that part because it was on bread. So, alright, let me try this next bite because that was all bread. Okay. That's stay up in your face, y'all. How y'all feeling today? You know I gotta ask you. That part wasn't so dry, y'all. Yeah. See? So you try. That don't need no salt and pepper on that. That's all right. Okay. Take a bite. Take one. I said take a bite. Take one. Woo! I don't do Dunkin' Donuts often, y'all. No, I don't. I might come back at y'all with another video tonight. I might. I don't know. I might. Subscribe, y'all. I'm getting a little warm. Hold up. Turn this air up a little bit. Mmm. It's good. There you go. Most important meal of the day. Breakfast. And I normally skip it all the time. Don't judge me. I always skip it. And I say, let me get some energy. Yeah. Comment down below and tell me what y'all think I should eat for lunch or dinner. Let's see what happens. Because I already got something that I do want to do, but I just want to see what y'all say. See what y'all say. You know what? I was hungry too, though. I really was. I got 2 tater tots left. 2. They okay. They do the job. Holding me over. I got a donut too, y'all. I got me a honey glazed donut. Y'all, this is the last bite. Oh, sandwich. Last damn bite. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You know how y'all do at the last bite. I'm chewing. And one last tater tot. Woo! What y'all got planned today? Hmm? 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 Woo! That orange juice is refreshing. Woo! No. When last time I had orange juice? I don't know. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. Because I got a donut and I told y'all I had a donut, I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. I'm full. But I'm going to take a bite of the donut for y'all, alright? Whoa, excuse me. Look at that. It looks like it's fresh. Let's see if it is fresh. Let's see. Okay. It's fresh. I might just eat that. Yeah. Donut. Shit. The way my stomach feel right now, I'm full I feel like a donut. It sure is sweet. I have a sugar attack. Oh. If this don't give me no energy, I don't know what will, cause woo! Golly! That's why I don't do donuts like that. I'm still eating it though. I'm silly. Right? My sugar woogers. I love y'all. It's just the last bite. And this donut. Yep. I ate the whole donut, y'all. Like it was a lot, but it was a lot for me. That's ooh. I keep saying, woo, man. Sweet, y'all. I'll be like this. Y'all ready? Come on, let's go. We all gotta go. Oh, it's energy. There's something wrong with that Uber Lyft driver. 3 stars, 2 stars. No. Not me. I do pretty good. Get myself to go. Alright, y'all. Finish this off. I'm about to continue to work. Well, I had to be gone. Sugar woogers, like I said, I might come back at y'all again today with another video. If not, I don't know. But I'm gonna try. It depends on my day. Depends on my day. What you see is what you get, my sugar woogers. But guess what? Y'all have a beautiful day, okay? Have a beautiful day, and I'm gonna leave you guys with, a nice, good old sugar mama hug, right? Mm-mm. And I see y'all on my next video.